Hi guys, welcome back to another Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're showing you guys this quick, easy travel bag. So let's go ahead and show you guys. So this is great for anyone on the go. This is great for anyone who is a college student or you're traveling and you want to take your own stuff. So you have this large pocket right here with different mesh pockets and another pocket inside. We'll show you putting some stuff in it. On the back here you have this large pocket as well, and of course it is zippered, so it does protect all your stuff that you have inside there. Nice carrying handle on the top. So on the back here, this mesh one is not zippered, but you can loop it around right on here, so you can put it around something. They do also have a hook, so you can hang your whole bag somewhere. You also have this zippered pouch as well, with a little window in it. It's a pretty nice sized. So far, guys, the quality of this bag is actually really nice. You have pockets on the side, pocket on the side. Overall, it is actually really nice, and it is vented, so that's also good for different shampoos and stuff. So if you're traveling, you're on the beach or something, if something gets too hot, sometimes they can explode inside bags. I've seen that happen a lot. So overall, it is a nice carrying bag for traveling. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you can put in and all the stuff you can fill it with. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you guys can see, you can put a lot of different stuff inside. Even a full-sized soap bottle can fit in there. Actually, you probably could fit 2 to 3 in there, full-size soap bottles. On the side, we got deodorant. On the side here, we got our cologne. On the back in here, we open this up. We have our razor for shaving. We also have some hair gel in here. And we still have tons of storage. So guys, you can use this for all types of stuff. You can hold a lot of items in it. Overall, I love it. We're going to be using ours for traveling.